Hi guys, I have a tutorial for you. I'm sorry if my voice sounded a little raspy or something like that. I'm dealing with coming over a sore throat, so yeah, I have a lot of mucus still stuck in my throat and it's just not nice. But I am feeling just 10 times better than I did than I have been the last few days. So I'm just like, I'm gonna film today because I'm feeling so great. So I'm going to show you how I do this. Yeah, what can you call it? Like a burgundy pinkish purple look, and it's just like completely match with everything. And yeah, if you want to see how I do this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get to it. So yeah, I have my hair in a ponytail now. I'm getting into that phase. My hair is that long now. Okay, I'm going to use my Angel Veil Primer by NYX. I love this primer so much. I have converted to this completely. I'm not buying anything else but that primer now. Now, just onto the face. And then for concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Defy Concealer in C1. You know I love this. It is so full coverage. Just the usual places. Then I'm taking my beauty sponge and just blending out the concealer. And then for foundation, I'm taking the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in Light Ivory. And the reason I'm taking Light Ivory is because I tanned myself the other day because I was looking too pale even for my liking. I'm going to take 16 drops of it. And then using my sponge, I'm just going to apply it like that. And I'm going to set my face. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Madame Poreless powder in translucent. I'm obviously just starting out with the little big here. I'm just taking the puff that is in the compact under my eyes. And then for the rest of the face, I'm taking my powder brush by Real Techniques. That's the base down. Now I'm just going to do my brows and the right side of my face off camera, and then I will be back. Alright guys, let's start on the eyes. I'm taking the NYX HD eyeshadow base. And then just blending that out. And for this tutorial, I'll be using my BH Cosmetics Day and Night palette. It's been a while since I've used this, and it is such a good palette. And the only shadow that is almost out is actually the taupe color, which we will be using. Hit pen with that, and I'm struggling to get what's in the edges of it. I want it. And I'm applying that in my crease. I'm just going to take the magnifying mirror that I have here because it is so neat to have a magnifying mirror now. I'm far-sighted, so anything that is I have to see up and close, it's a bit difficult when you're far-sighted. So this is just brilliant. Obviously, I'm also applying it on my lower lash line color. Next color I'm taking is this color. It's just also for the crease. On with the magnifying mirror again, and I'm just applying it on top of the crease color because I want it to look a bit more reddish burgundy. And then for the next color, I'm going to the night side. I'm taking this color. It's such a gorgeous, what can you call it, the purpley, pinkish color. It's gorgeous. I'm using my my Real Technique Space Shadow Brush for this. And just apply that. Now this shadow is pigmented because it has fallout. You can already see I had to brush it away. So remember to tap off the excess if you like that. So I'm just going to take a little bit more. Like that. And then I am just going to take whatever brush I have and flick off the fallout. No, I'm done. And I'm taking my blending brush by Beauties and just blending the crease colors with the lip color. And then final touch, we need a little bit of shimmer glitter. This is the NYX Roll-On Shimmer in Platinum. I just love it. And it is the festive season, it's the holiday season. We want a little bit of sparkle. And then I'm just going to blend that out. I just apply it to the middle of it and I can easily blend it out with my finger. Now we have a little bit of sparkle and shine to the lid. Obviously we need a little bit of highlight. I'm taking my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Cottage Cheese. You know I love this. So I'm just going to apply it to my brow bone in the corner. And then blend it out with a clean finger. Moving on to eyeliner, I'm taking my NYX matte liquid liner and applying it to my top lash line. I'm not winging it out because I like, as you know, the simplicity of just a basic line. And then on for my inner rims, I'm applying the NYX Slide On Eyeliner in Jet Black, and I'm curling my lashes and applying the NYX Worth the Hype waterproof mascara. And it's up to yourself if you want to wear lashes or not. I really like it without the lash, so I'm gonna do that off camera, so I'll see you in a bit. Moving on to the rest of the face, I'm taking my NYX Blush in Taupe. Yes, you can see I still have plenty of this left, even though I am hitting more and more pan. So first contour with my contour brush by Real Techniques. I start from the outside and just practically I can feel the cheekbone, and then get on the jawbone, there it was, and then nose, there, and below the lip. And then for blush, I'm taking my Ultra Blush palette by Makeup Revolution in Hot Spice. I'm taking this color right there. My blush brush by Real Techniques. Right there on the cheek. And then for highlighter, I'm taking the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Ice Cold. You know I love this. And then just on to the top of the cheekbone with that. That is gorgeous. And nose bridge and Cupid's bow. And now for the lips, I'm taking the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in Rose Matte. I love this color. It's so perfect with this look. Like, it's matchy match. There. Always remember to shake them. And just on with that. There, we're having a good lip application day. That is so nice. And then the final touch is to set the makeup. I'm using the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray in Rose. I just have to take a fresh one because I had this on as a stock, and I also have another one in my stash. So on with this. And now we are finished with this, yes, festive Christmas look. I really like it. It's simple to do, and it's just like, I like it. It really brings out the blue in my eyes. So I'm just going to take on my glasses, put them on. Sorry about the flashback that my mirror gives, but that's how it is. When I have a new mirror with some great LED light, that is how it looks like. It's just completely matchy match. My frames, my eyeshadow, and the lip. So nice, so nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So remember to subscribe, comment, and like this video if you liked it. It really helps me a lot. And then you can follow me on all my social medias and on my blog. And then I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye!